The journey to luxury begins in nature with a careful, ethical collection of the finest. The collected plumes are immediately ported to the high-tech factory for initial sterilization.
The raw plumes undergo a multi-stage cleaning process involving high-pressure jets and specialized sterilization chemicals. After cleaning, the plumes are subjected to a rigorous heat treatment to eliminate bacteria and ensure maximum fluffiness.
The clean, sterilized plumes are then moved to automated drying chambers to achieve the perfect moisture content.
Sophisticated sorting technology ensures that only the finest, lightest down feathers are selected for the luxury product line.
The selected plumes undergo a final laboratory inspection for purity, fill power, and elasticity before mixing.
The core material is blended to ensure consistent softness and distribution of the luxury down.
Concurrently, the pillow casing material is prepared, cut, and stitched with precision.
Expert seamstresses use industrial machines to stitch the fine casing materials, creating the empty shells for the pillows. Quality checks on the casings verify the integrity of every stitch and seam.
The highly technical filling process ensures accurate weight and even distribution of the delicate down.
Precision weight control is paramount, with digital scales confirming the exact amount of down in each product.
The final, critical step is sealing the pillow opening with a seamless, tight stitch.
Finished pillows are fluffed, pressed, and tested for resilience and comfort. Advanced optical inspection systems check the finished product for any remnants of foreign matter or uneven distribution.
The high-value products are carefully packaged in breathable, branded storage bags.
The packaged goods are organized, scanned, and prepared for dispatch to high-end retailers.
The large-scale logistics move the packaged luxury goods through the warehouse.
Okay, bring it up now. Watch the side, it's clear. All right, slide it in.